Welcome to Good Father House Design, a place where every home is more than just a structure. It's a feeling, a lifestyle, and a quiet connection between nature and design. Today, we explore a modern tropical home where open spaces, greenery, and natural light come together to create a calm and refreshing living experience. From the front view, this house immediately feels alive and inviting. Clean modern lines blend harmoniously with lush landscaping, creating a balance between structure and nature. Large glass panels reflect the greenery, while warm materials soften the overall look. A gentle pathway leads you through a well-arranged garden, making the entrance feel natural and welcoming. Every detail in this first impression is designed to feel light, open, and peaceful. As we step into the living room, the space opens beautifully and feels instantly breathable. Floor-to-ceiling windows allow sunlight to flow freely, filling the room with warmth and soft shadows. The connection between indoor and outdoor spaces becomes seamless as greenery becomes part of the interior view. Comfortable seating, natural textures, and a clean layout create an atmosphere that feels relaxed, modern, and perfect for slowing down after a long day. Moving into the bedroom, the mood becomes quieter and more intimate. Soft tones, simple lines, and warm lighting create a space that feels calm without trying too hard. Large windows frame views of greenery outside, allowing natural light to gently enter throughout the day. The room feels like a private retreat, where every detail is designed to support rest, comfort, and a sense of peaceful living. kitchen brings a sense of clarity and functionality into the home. Designed with clean surfaces and minimal forms, the space feels organized and easy to use. Natural light continues to play an important role here, making the kitchen feel bright and welcoming. Subtle textures and warm materials prevent the space from feeling cold, turning everyday cooking into a more enjoyable and connected experience. Next is the dining area, where the atmosphere becomes warm and inviting. Positioned near open views or large windows, the space feels naturally bright throughout the day. The simplicity of the design allows the surrounding greenery and light to stand out. It's a place where meals feel more than routine, creating moments that feel calm, comfortable, and quietly meaningful. In the bathroom, the design shifts into a more calming and refreshing tone. Clean lines, soft color palettes, and natural light create a space that feels uncluttered and serene. The balance between function and comfort is clear, turning this area into a place where you can pause, relax, and reset your energy. The laundry room continues the theme of simplicity and efficiency. Bright, neat, and well-organized, it shows how even functional spaces can feel comfortable and thoughtfully designed. With enough light and a clean layout, daily tasks become easier and more enjoyable without breaking the overall harmony of the home. Finally, we step into the backyard, a true extension of the living space. Lush greenery, open lawns, and layered plants create a natural and peaceful environment. The space feels alive, with fresh air and soft natural textures surrounding you. Whether it's a quiet morning with sunlight filtering through the leaves or a relaxing afternoon outdoors, this backyard completes the feeling of a home that is deeply connected to nature. Thank you for being part of Good Father House Design. If this home inspires you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and continue exploring beautiful homes with us. See you in the next home, the next story, the next inspiration.